Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous mixed media Buddha painting using different mediums and different techniques. You will going to learn how to make background, how to create beautiful Buddha in a 3D format, how to make this beautiful quilled lotus. So there are so many things to learn in this project. So let's get started. First, here I am taking this filament decoupage paper by Little Birdie in Buddha print, and in one pack you will get one big sheet and four small sheet of same print. So for my today's project I am taking here big sheet. Now I am going to just fussy cut the face of the Buddha. And this is done. Then here I am taking 250 GSM white color cardstock and I am going to paste this design. So for pasting purpose I am taking here Decoupage Glue by Little Birdie and sticking it on the base. Like this. Then I'm just highlighting the features little bit more using the same colors, and here I'm using acrylic colors. Just sharpening all the features and darkening it. So this is done. Now here I am taking paper clay, which is a sakura clay, and just making some small balls. You can use any air dry clay. So here I am going to decorate the head part. Now adding glue, and I will start adding these balls one by one. Then using the back side of the paintbrush, I am just going to do little impression inside each ball like this. So I have covered whole head area and it's looking beautiful. It's dried completely. Now it's time to color this. So for the coloring I am here using chalk paints in blue color, and I will going to mix little bit of black later. So just completely color this from all the sides, edges, inner parts. And this is done. I have just highlighted both the sides using black color chalk paint little bit, and then here I am taking metallic wax in patina glaze color from Little Birdie. Using my fingers I am just applying the wax on the tip of each design, so it will enhance the beauty of each circle little bit more, and the highlighting effect will give you very nice color shading. Now it's time to protect this. So here I am using varnish by Little Birdie and applying it all over the clay design. So it's dried, and now I am again fussy cutting whole image using my scissors. And this is done. Now I am filling each of this design using some clay or pearl drops. So here I am using these pearl drop by Nuvo, or you can also use these kind of ceramic cones which you can create easily at home. If you want to learn how to make ceramic cones, I have given link in description box, you can check there. But for this project I am using my Nuvo drops because these are ready with me, and just filling each design using these drops. So this is done and it's dried, and the Buddha is ready. Now it's time to make our quilling lotus. So I have already prepared 2 petals using light pink color in 3mm. Now for the center petal I am using dark pink color 3mm and making some loops in increasing order till the end of the strip. So the loop is ready, just pinching it little bit, and now on both the sides I am just connecting light pink color loops and wrapping this whole petal using dark pink strip. And the center petal of the lotus is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more petals for left and right sides. I have just twisted it little bit, and for both the sides I have made 3 petals. Now I am taking one pink color craft paper and I am going to stick all the petals on top of the paper and constructing the lotus. and this is done. Then to make the sepal of the lotus, I am taking here 3 mm sap green color strip, and I am using total 2 strips together, making one big sepal. First we have to make the triangle shape like this or bended semicircle, and then I am going to twist both the tops corners in opposite direction like this. Then I am sticking the sepal with the base, and after that I am going to fussy cut the lotus. So the beautiful lotus is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more lotus using 5 petals and one bud, which is made using total 7 loops. So this is done. Now here I am taking A4 size white color cardstock, which is again 250 GSM in thickness. I have applied little water mist on this, and then here and there randomly I am adding watercolors in purple, light blue and light green color shade. I have done little bit of white mandala embossing in the base, but the embossing effect is not very prominent. So in some time I will show you how to make the beautiful nice mandala. So covering whole paper using these shades randomly. Now it's dried. So here I am taking this beautiful mandala stencil by iCraft, and using the texture paste or mixed media paste, I am just making an impression in the base. Now slowly remove the stencil and allow it to dry. So this is completely dried, and it's time to stick our Buddha on top of the base. Then I am attaching all the lotus which we have created. Also I am adding stems which are made using sap green color strips. So this is done. Now for both the earrings, I am using here half cut pearl in 10 mm. I have just colored it using same color chalk paint. And for the tika, I am using here yellow color tight teardrop shape, which is made using half strip in 2 mm. And now randomly I am just splashing some dark blue color chalk paint in both the corners. Then I am stamping some script here and there using dark blue archival ink. You can also use distress ink or any kind of stamping ink. And this is done. So the beautiful mixed media Buddha wall hanging painting is ready. It's looking very nice, gorgeous and beautiful, and very easy to make. I have also added some scrolls in the bottom using same sap green color, And if you want to learn scroll, I have given link in description box. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.